the stillness of the night, I lift my voice to the sky. With every whisper, every sigh, I feel your presence drawing nigh. In the battles that I face, when temptations try to chase, I call upon your holy name. In prayer I find my strength again. Thank you, Lord, for every grace, for guiding me through every place. Your blessings pour like morning dew. In every moment I turn to you. Always call to God, my heart's refrain. In prayer I find peace, release my pain. With faith as my anchor, I'll stand strong in the arms of love where I belong. Oh Lord, I thank you for the light. In the darkest hours, you shine so bright. With every prayer, I feel your embrace. In the sacred ball, I find my place. When shadows loom and doubts arise, I lift my hands, I reach the skies. With every word I speak to you, my fortress strong, my spirit renewed. Let not be evil one draw near. In prayer I cast away my fear. With every heartbeat I draw close. In your love I find my hope. Always call to God, my heart's refrain. In prayer I find peace, ease my pain. With faith as my anchor, I'll stand strong in the arms of love where I belong. Thank you, Lord, for all you do. In every blessing I see you true. With grateful hearts we sing your praise. In prayer our spirits rise always.